Okay, guys, this is gonna be a quickie. I'll give it a second. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a quickie, real quick. We're gonna be giving a giveaway, big old giveaway. Sorry for the mess. I'm kind of in a hurry. We're doing watermelon red on the new sprayed. Oh yeah, look at that mess over there. New sprayed shiny bandito bug. Now, how you enter this giveaway video, pretty simple. Pretty simple. Like this video, comment down below done, or just tell me what you like about the bait. Any comment, you're entered. So if you want to enter 40 times by making 40 comments, go for it. Comment done, letter by letter, go for it. All an entry. But there's only going to be 5 in a pack. 5 pack of bandito bugs, 4-inch in watermelon red, and share this video with your friends on Facebook. All you gotta do, pretty simple. So let's get into this. But guys, we're gonna have a good mold. Here's the first injection of the 5 I'm going to make. Wipe up all this. Oh, and soon I'm gonna have a contest. We have this much plastic, and I'm gonna have one viewer or subscriber. I'm gonna have one subscriber make baits with me. I want to invite them out, make baits with me, and have a video. Most likely you will have to comment on that one video here soon, but this, what we're going to be melting down and making a ton of. Right there, all that stuff. But here we go, first pull. We'll get that out of the way for you. First pull, this one without any oil at all. Give me a second. I don't know how to hold this. I don't get it in a plant. Give me a second. There they are, guys. Give me a second. I'll get you some natural light to give you a better look at them. Look at those things. Beautiful. Beaut. Love fishing them. Great bait. There they are, guys, sitting in the tank. 3 more to go. And here's a sneak peek on one of the molds here we're going to be doing soon. This is a trout worm, open pore. Very small, very complicated. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to do, but if you guys want to see it, I'll give it to you. I'll let some of you guys fish on them. You guys just have to enter. They'll all be on a giveaway. I'll be giving a lot of giveaways here soon. So if you want some of the action, comment down below and see what you can get. There's the last few ejections. But again, guys, just subscribe, comment down below, done, and I will release. Once we get, I'm gonna give this place about 2 weeks to have all the comments. Once the 2 weeks done, I'll make a video about who won, and I'll just randomly pick from a hat.